Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Hooks and Yarns. Now, today I'm gonna show you the second row of this blanket. Okay, this is for 2nd of January, and when I calculated when I searched the average temperature of 2nd January, it was same as the first one, which was 20.5 degrees Celsius. I'm working in Celsius, so if you want to convert, you can convert it in Fahrenheit as per your wish. Okay, when you reach at the end of the round, there will be one extra stitch left. In this stitch, you'll do 3 single crochet. Okay, this here, if you can see, this our pattern repeat was starting from 3 single crochet, then single crochet in next 4 stitches, then single crochet 3 together, then single crochet in next 4 stitches. When you're done repeating, one last stitch will be left. Here you'll do 3 single crochet. Okay, and here our first round will end. Okay, so we are doing, okay, I'm taking it inside right now, and then I'll weave it off here. Okay, so we are crocheting in the back loop only of chain, sorry, not back loop, in the back loop of chain. Okay, all right, so here we'll do 3 single crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we are moving towards round number row 2. All right, so for row 2, what we'll do, we'll chain 1. Okay, chain 1 and then turn around. All right, after chaining 1 and turning around, what you'll do, you will do 2 single crochet and second single crochet. Okay, here if you can see, in the space of the first single crochet of round 2, okay, we did chain 1. Okay, now here in the second single crochet we'll do 2 single crochets. Okay, okay, now this first single this chain 1 will be considered as 1 single crochet, and these 2 single crochets, this chain 1 and these 2 single crochets will be our first 3 single crochets. Okay, for round 2, we for row 2, again using the same color, because the temperature of day 1 and day 2, means 1st January and 2nd January, were same, which is 20.5 degrees Celsius. All right, now you'll single crochet in next, okay, now you'll single crochet in next 4 stitches. Okay, so single crochet in next 4 stitches. Okay, all right, 1, 2, sometimes I forget to speak, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 single crochet. I did single crochet in next 4 stitches. After these 3 single crochets, I did single crochet next 4 stitches. Okay, next we'll do single crochet 3 together. Okay, so single crochet 3 together, what we are gonna do, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. We have 2 loops on our hook. Okay, then insert the hook again in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the loop. Now again insert the hook in the third stitch, next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Now yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Okay, now single crochet in next 4. So we will single crochet in next 4. One, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now after these 4 stitches, you will do 3 single crochet in the next stitch. Okay, so 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 single crochet in next stitch. Okay, then single crochet in next 4 stitches. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we did single crochet in next 4 stitches, then we'll do single crochet 3 together. This is a pattern repeat which I'm telling you. Okay, I'm doing single crochet 3 together. Okay, look, now we have, okay, single crochet 3 together, again single crochet in next 4 stitches. Okay, so we will single crochet in next 4 stitches. Number 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now from here to here, this is our, from here to here, this is our pattern repeat. Means 3 single crochet, then single crochet next 4 stitches, then single crochet 3 together, then single crochet next 4 stitches. Okay, from here to here, this was the beginning. All right, this was the beginning part. It was a little bit different because in the beginning we did 1 chain, then 2 single crochet in the second single crochet. Okay, and we did say 2 single crochet in next stitch, not in the same stitch as of chain. Okay, and from here to here, this is our pattern repeat. Okay, this will be repeated throughout the round. All right, if you notice here that the value of the second row is exactly on the top of the value of the first row. The peak of the second row is exactly on the top of the peak of first row. Okay, so if it's not exactly on the top, that means you have done something wrong anywhere in the pattern. Okay, this was the second row which I needed to film in detail so that I can tell you, because the first row was started a little bit different than the second row. Okay, so now from today onwards till all 365 days, like from today till 31st December, we'll be repeating the second row only. Okay, not the first row, we'll be repeating